Welcome to the registration tutorial for My Building My Plan. First, open your browser. Then open incognito mode for smooth operation of the course, which is mandatory. Search for the BuildFi Learn series, or we gave the link in the description for your direct access to the website. Here, you can get the details about the course like what is MHMP and how you can create your building plan in 5 days. As shown, we have mentioned what topics you are going to learn in these 5 days. Also, you will get 3D exterior view creation video tutorial, site inspection report checklist format, 30 plus ready-made cum editable floor plans, 10 plus planning tutorial videos, centerline planning video tutorial, and you will also get our guidance by mail. Here are some of the reviews that our clients have given. After this course, you can create site plans, conceptual plans, floor plans, furniture layout plans, and 3D exterior plans easily without any guidance. After all these, let's dive into how to register for the course. To register, simply click on the Book Now option below. Then you will be redirected to the course page where you can buy the course. On this page, you can find the details about what will you learn and the course curriculum. As you can see, there are many videos for this course. You can access the video only after completing this process. Now go to the Join Today option on the left of the page. Now you have to give some details for registration. After all these steps, your registration process will be complete and you will be redirected to the dashboard. Then go to the course section again and click your required course, which is My Home My Plan. Simply click it and add it to the cart for the further process. If you have any coupon for this course, then apply the code. Otherwise, click Proceed to check out. Following this step, you will be directed to the billing page where you will be required to provide your personal information including your name, address, city, state, postal code, phone number, and Gmail address. Subsequently, you may proceed to input your UPI address for transaction purposes. Upon completion, a QR code will be generated for payment processing. Please note that the transaction may require some time to complete. After completing your payment, kindly ensure to make note of the order ID provided on the screen. We ask for your patience as our team verifies your transaction manually. Access to all videos will be granted promptly thereafter. Note, it will take some time to give access to the course, so keep patience.